Hi.
The monster.
Hi.
What's your name?
You're already going to death.
What?
You're gonna go to Pattaya. You have no eyes.
This is my eyes.
The black one?
Yeah.
I saw your eyes. It's in the bottom. Let me put the back factory to your eyes.
What you do with my eyes?
I just put my factory eye in your eye. This my fixed eyes. And there's this one in the floor. I might clean it. Somebody's might taking that.
I'm gonna walk here.
I'm gonna remove.
What are you doing with my eye?
I'm going to exchange the eye.
Why?
My factory eye. The eyes are now fixed. I can now put the blood block. Hi. What's wrong with you? The sun is burning.
It's not the sun, it's the light.
The light burned you already.
Why you are not moving, blue creature?
Because I'm standing. Because I have no limbs. Hi guys. Thank you for the hearing. Thank you for the hearing for the eye.
Blue eyes? Look at my eyes, guys. It's so... Look at me. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 eyes. I got 4 eyes. And I'm so monstrous face. My name is Mookie.
Hi.
And I'm from the green family. And this is my friend, Blue. What's your name, Blue? Hey, what's your name?
Blue man.
Are you Blue Man?
Yes.
How old are you, Blue Man? Hey, why you're not talking?
When 100 is old, I'm much powerful when I'm 100 years old. Remember, we are monsters, right?
Okay.
Bye-bye, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. Oh, survive the channel. Bye-bye. So now let's say bye-bye. Next time.